Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your DOQAUS Life for headphones with any Android phone or an Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to power on your headphones by using power button, and it's located just right here next to the USB-C port. So click and hold it until indicator turns on. There we go. Right now you have to go to this Bluetooth settings on your Android device. In my case, that's the Android phone, that's Nokia 5.3. Click to pair new device, and right here you have to just wait until your headphones pops on the list. So just be patient. If you cannot find them, you can basically refresh the Bluetooth list or restart by tapping on the button, but in my case, after a few seconds they appears on the list. So click on it once and wait for the pairing request. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.